Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. About mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
This is the real deal.
This is by far the place that you want to be. When you hear Let's Go Weekend again, Let's Go Weekend 12, you need to be here. Because you're going to learn everything you need to learn about how to take your assets and put them to work, as well as build your business.
The Dr. Tigers is salute you.
Yes, sir.
All right, greetings, good morning. How's everyone doing? Glad that you can make it to this new Millennium Bankers Crypto Morning broadcast. This is in line with our Project Exodus 10,000. So on cue with the song that you heard in the background. Let's go, family. Who is ready to get out of the current banking system? And we got more information to show you why the time is now. All right. So we got information coming out of JPMorgan from their CEO, Jamie Denson, right? He is saying that the banking crisis is not over. Now, if you don't know, JPMorgan is the biggest bank in America. They had the most assets, they had the most customers, all right? And if we even go worldwide, they might be the biggest bank worldwide behind Deutsche Bank, or they in front of Deutsche Bank, right? So this is huge that the CEO of JPMorgan saying the banking crisis ain't over. He the CEO of the biggest bank in the world, and he's saying the crisis ain't over. So it's time now for us to move our cash out of the banks. That's the time it is right now. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing y'all real live stuff that's going on so you can get the information, see the information, and then make the conscious decision to do what's needed to be done. All right, because this thing is happening fast right before our eyes. It was a shooting in a bank yesterday. They said a random shooting, but it was an active shooter at a bank yesterday. I forgot the town. I don't want to say nothing. All right, but it was a shooting yesterday. I can't remember the state. But there was a shooting. Some people got killed at a bank yesterday. All right, so I know some of y'all might know about that. So if you know about that shooting, please comment where it was at, so we can see where that was at or whatnot, if you get the information. But it was a shooting yesterday. So today we're going to talk about that, but we're going to start off here. We're not going to start at crypto, because crypto is doing real good. Crypto is doing real good on the market right now. We're going to get to that, but we want to show you why. Well, the dollar is doing bad. So as the dollar tanks, more and more cryptos are going to go up, and primarily the main three cryptocurrencies is going to go up, and that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and and Binance BNB. Those are the top three utility coins on the market. Now, the reason we talking about it, because we get paid in all of them instantly. We get paid in Bitcoin, we get paid in Ethereum, we get paid in BNB. Then we have our systematic coins like the G999 and the Lydian Stater. We'll talk briefly about those. But let's take a look at the United States debt clock before we get to the crypto market. The national debt, family, is 31 trillion 675 billion 338. And as we wait right now, it's going to go up a mil. It's going to go up 1 mil. 339 million. It's going to go up a mil while we're here. So that's the national debt. Now, that's what we are supposed to owe the Federal Reserve. This is what they taxing us. This is why we supposed to be paying taxes, because we supposed to be paying down this debt that is going up $1 million. Less than a minute is going up $1 million. Less than a minute, something like that, right? We can time it and see what the actual speed is of it, right? That's the national debt. But as we scroll down, we see the United States total debt. The total debt of America is $95 trillion. $95 trillion. That's the total debt. Now, who the hell they in debt to like this? Because we know the national debt is going to the Federal Reserve. It's going to the international banker. That's what it's going. So we owe the Federal Reserve. We owe the international bankers, to be quite frank, right? The total debt, who? Well, that meaning you got the total debt, you got the national debt. So America's in debt to other countries as well. So what is this saying, family? What is this? When we do this, what do you get out of this? What are you supposed to get? Your country is bankrupt. That's what it means. They cannot manage the debt. This is unmanageable debt. It's unrepayable debt. So the country is bankrupt, so the country's going to eventually fall. All right? So let's go and take a look at the cryptocurrency market, because I said that the cryptocurrency market is doing good. Bitcoin hit over 30,000 yesterday. So the cryptocurrency market cap, look at that. The market cap of crypto is up 4.56%. Now, why is that? Well, where else is people going to go? You only got a few options to move cash. You only have a few options to move cash, and that is crypto, gold, and silver. You don't have another option. Well, what about real estate? That's not a medium of exchange. You might want to hold off on that. All right. Well, I better get it. What you going to get for it? You feel what I'm saying? It's not a medium of exchange. So you want to get into something that has the potential to appreciate and give you something in return, or something you can use as a medium of exchange. You can't use land as a medium of exchange. I'm not saying land is not valuable. I'm just saying, my opinion, hold up on that. All right. You want to get in something that's going to put you on top. Land ain't going to put you on top. It is up 4.56%. Bitcoin is over 30,000. The last hour, Bitcoin is up 0.48%. Last 7 days is up. Last 24 hours is up 7.28%. Last 7 days is up 7.68%. Ethereum about to touch 2,000. Last 24 hours is up nearly 4%. Last 7 days is up over 3%. Binance last 24 hours, Binance is up 5.5%. In the last 7 days is up 5.68%. Then we have the utility coin of the G999 coin, and we about to release our smart contract blockchain, which is amazing. We can't wait for that. All right. We can't wait for that. So let's take a look at our coin. Our coin, okay. Our coin is up 0.884, right? 0.8 is up. So that's the best thing about it. But however, this is for trading. None of this is trading. All right. It's significant to see when you see Bitcoin doing good, then that's a good thing for all the cryptos. That's a good thing for all the cryptos. All right. So now let's get into the article from Jamie, from the CEO of what do they call it? JPMorgan Chase. JPMorgan Chase. Jamie Dimon says banking crisis not over. Now listen, warns of repercussion for years to come. JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon says the United States banking crisis is not over and there will be repercussion from it for years to come. The executive added that recent bank failures have significantly changed the market's expectations and the odds of a recession has increased. We're really in a recession. Jamie Dimon, chairman and CEO, he's the chairman and CEO of JPMorgan Chase, shared his concerns regarding the United States economy, recent recession, and the banking crisis in his annual letter to shareholders published last week. The letter followed the recent collapse of several major banks in the United States, including Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, calling recent bank failures a banking crisis. Jamie warned. The current crisis is not yet over, and even when it is behind us, there will be repercussions from it for years to come. Recent events are nothing like what occurred during the 2008 global financial crisis, which badly affected regional banks. The JPMorgan Bank boss explained at that time there was enormous leverage virtually everywhere in the financial system. In contrast, he noted, this current banking crisis involves far fewer financial players and fewer issues that need to be resolved. Comment on the Federal Reserve's efforts to curb inflation in future take hikes. If we have higher inflation for longer, the Fed may be forced to increase rates higher than people expect despite the recent bank crisis. In addition, he cautioned that quantitative tightening, QT, they got QE and QT. See, quantitative easing is QE. That just means they print money, right? Unconsciously. So quantitative tightening, meaning they're gonna try to slow down now, but it's the countries in trillions of dollars in debt. So they had maxed out the debt ceiling. May have ongoing impacts that might over time be another force pushing longer term rates higher than currently envisioned. This may occur even if we have a mild or not so mild recession as we saw in the 1970s and the 1980s. The CEO explained that the failures of Silicon Bank and Credit Suisse have significantly changed the market's expectation. Bond prices have recovered dramatically. The stock market is down and the market's odds of a recession have increased, he emphasized. While this is nothing like 2008, it is not clear when this crisis will end. Nevertheless, the JPMorgan executive insisted that the current economy is pretty good, but insinuated that there are storm clouds ahead. Wow! Now this is what he wrote to shareholders of their bank. This is what he wrote to shareholders of their bank. So this is JPMorgan, biggest bank in the world. So what did that leave us, family? Now I know if we got plenty of scandals come out about JPMorgan, plenty of stuff come out about Wells Fargo. How many of y'all are shutting those bank accounts down and pulling your funds? Some of y'all banking with them and got your RAs in there, your retirement fund in there, your pension. Pull it. Whatever you got to do, you better pull it all because they're going to eventually take it. All right? They're going to eventually take it. If the CEO of JPMorgan talking like this is setting the stage for when the banks need your money, they don't have no restriction on taking it. Y'all do know that, right? Because it's not your money. That's why if you want to send it somewhere, you got to ask for permission. They got to approve the transactions. You don't approve it. This is the power of cryptocurrency. This is what we in Forward Money Network have been trying to educate everybody about. This is why crypto is far better, because you are in control on where your crypto goes. No third party. You don't have to ask for permission or nothing like that. All right, but with the current banking system, you're not in control. You got a limit to withdraw this how much. You got a limit to send this over here. You got to do this and do this. They got to approve everything. JPMorgan also always stopped their clients from getting crypto. Been doing that for years. JPMorgan, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo, the three top banks in America, have been the three major banks that stopped their customers or clients from moving their funds into crypto. We've been dealing with crypto since 2018. We've been dealing with crypto heavy since 2018. So we definitely know what we're talking about. This is not an assumption. I'm telling you what I have encountered, what have been experiencing by running a blockchain and crypto business. We've been doing this since 2018. This ain't new to us. All right. We're just trying to help educate the people because so many people have heard of crypto, heard of Bitcoin, but don't have a clue how it really works. So let me show you what we do in Gold Standard Bank. Let us show you what we do in Gold Standard Bank and how we are earning 16.6% per month. We're going to show you this right quick. But before we get into that, let us show you a quick commercial, and then we're going to come back and take you into the GS Partners ecosystem and show you how we are just using cryptocurrency as a systematic currency to get paid whatever, pretty much whatever we want to get paid. But that number you see on the screen, 16.6% monthly passive income, a fixed rate. It's not a hypothetical, it's not a varied rate, it's not dependent on the market or nothing. This is what we're getting in 18-month intervals. So before we do that, let's show this quick commercial break so you can see how the world is advancing, how technology is advancing, so you can get a better understanding on why you need to be thinking blockchain, crypto, and metaverse. All right. And this is just what we're doing with all three. Take a look.
The origins of life and the universe. First stages in human evolution. First simple technologies that started making our life easier. to Lydian World. We are glad to introduce our multi-ecosystem. Here, the rewards are generated thanks to the fees applied to each service or product behind an income resource such as staking pools, credit card swipe commissions, mining fields, assisted trading, non-fungible tokens marketplace, interactive airdrops, mainnet masternodes, trivia games, etc. Available on platforms and devices. More than 3 million users expected by the end of 2022 could reach a milestone of $5 billion in total resources. Lydian World, the place where you can explore, earn, and have fun.
All right, real quick. I just got the update on where the bank shooting took place at from my brother Garvey, my brother and business partner Garvey, who's in Canada. He did just text me that bank shooting took place and some people got killed. Go take a look at a bank in Louisville, Kentucky. Thank you, brother Garvey, for the update. All right. Thank you, brother Garvey, for the update. And we might do a stream about it later on this week. All right. When we collect more data about what really happened. All right. So let's take a look. Here's the GS Partners platform. Now here's the dashboard of where we have multiple different cryptocurrencies. We got G999. That's our own in-house cryptocurrency. Now we coming out with a smart contract, a smart chain, blockchain. The gas to all of this is the G999. We got Lydian Lions. That is metaverse money that we can use in the metaverse to get citizenships. We got USD Tether. That's the #1 stable coin in the world. We got USD Tether Tron. We got Tron. We have G Euro. Now this is an in-house currency that you can't find this nowhere else on the market. What we deal with is in euros, but this is a crypto, but it's not available on the market. So you can only get it here. And as of right now, we can only trade this for Tether. All right, we got Binance stablecoin. This is the second biggest stablecoin on the market. BUSD. It's Binance. We got tokenized real estate. Can you imagine getting paid in real estate? That's why we don't sweat that stuff. We got Bitcoin, of course. We got the Lydian Stater. The Lydian Stater is the official currency to our metaverse Lydian world. So stuff that all the products that is placed in our metaverse have to be bought with the Lydian Stater. The Lydian Stater is trading at about $2.50 right now. Then we got Binance BNB. We're getting paid in that. And we also are getting paid in Ethereum. So if you take a look at it, now how many top cryptocurrency that is? So there go Crypto 1, Crypto 2, top 3, 4, and 5. In 5. Like this is what we're saying. This is all systematic. I'm not investing into it. I'm not buying these coins, right? We're literally getting paid in these coins. Okay, so the correction. So that's top 4. That's 4 of the top 5. Binance stablecoin has failed to 12. It has failed to 12. All right. So out of the top 4, the top 4 cryptocurrencies on the market, we get paid in all 4 of them. And that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, and Binance BNB. We get paid in all 4 of them, NGS partners. All right. Now, what we do, because a lot of people thinking that we are investing in crypto because we only Gold Standard Bank is a decentralized blockchain telecommunication fintech, really a bank. All right. Now they think that a lot of people think that I don't want to invest in crypto. Well, you're not investing in crypto. If somebody my wife told me that brother Ben X gave a very good example where he said that if Tesla will accept Bitcoin for crypto, and if you get the Bitcoin to buy Tesla, you're not investing in Bitcoin. You're using Bitcoin to get the Tesla car, right? or anything that we do. You're not investing in it, you're getting to use it. Kind of like if you go to David and Buster's, where they got tokens, you want to play their games, right? You're not investing into their tokens, but you're just converting your cash into their tokens so you can play the games. All right, so you're not investing in crypto here, but you got to turn your cash into crypto so you can get these certificates, and this is the best time to get them. They got these bonnet to catch the bonnet on it. This incentive is going to last to the 17th, which is this Monday coming up. So we got about 6 days left, and this major bonus that is being thrown on it. Now, this certificate has two dynamics. What are these dynamics? Well, you got a weekly fixed rate of income. If you get the Hermes certificate or higher, you have a fixed rate of 4.15% fixed payback rewards on 1,000 going all the way to 100,000. So you can either make $41 a week up to $4,150 a week. Payback rewards on the price of this certificate. Now, what you load, what we call max load, that portion goes into what we call meta portfolio, and it can get you a variant rate of up to 6%. Now, that's market dependent, so we can't tell you what that certificate is going to get, all right, per month. We don't know. You can compound everything weekly to go into your overall portfolio. This is just how we are getting what you see on the screen, 16.6% per month. Passive income. It's passive, meaning you have to do nothing but put the money in. The money goes to work. All right. And like I said, and you also have the portfolio. And we just brought out a whole new feature with our portfolio where you can set how you want your portfolio to perform. What do you mean? Well, let me show you. Now, all of these certificates here are ready for compound. All of them. Here go one with the bunny. So I got a $3,000 bonus with that. If I make it to Dubai, if I go to Dubai, I get another $1,000 on top of that. Wow. That's amazing. All right. Here go another Hermes. This one had a bonus on it. It was an extra 2,200. There go another one, same thing. There go another one. These are the Catch Santa. There's another big bonus on that, over 2,000. All these are ready to compound right now as we speak. Where's my Apollo? Oh, okay. Here's my Apollo. Now this Apollo blessed me with 11,000 as a bonus. Now it shows me my performance. My performance is set at medium here. Now it's over $326 right now, ready to be withdrew. I can compound it and it'll go to this balance here. If I hit compound, this $326 will be added to this balance here. Working in the market at performance rate medium. Now we have to set it. Now we have to, because at first we didn't. This was something that we knew was coming, but it wasn't the functionality. It wasn't implemented into the software yet. So our chairman of the board, he just set all the portfolios at conservative, at low. And it was getting up to 6%. My wife, over 2 quarters, got nearly 15% return on her portfolio. Yes, I had 2. On the Artemis, I got over 11%. I got over 11% that I can show you. But if I click here and say, check your current Meta Auto performance. So now, once you get a certificate, you said it. If you want to be safe, then go conservative. I don't do nothing conservative, right? I don't do nothing conservative. So all of my certificates I set on medium or high. That's me though. You do what you want to do. All of mine, and once you set it, it is set there for a quarter. Once you set it, it is set there for a quarter. Now, we got the terms and conditions, risk disclosure, GSBD Swiss, risk disclosure. You can click here and read that. All right, but this is my Apollo, and it is set on medium. Because like I said, I don't do nothing conservative. So that wasn't never an option for me. And as you can see, been getting paid. So this Friday, you come back, I'm going to compound all these certificates that I ready for compound. And this is going to be higher. This is going to be like $415 because this certificate is generating like $30 per day. That's what it's going up. By $30 per day. I can look at this Hermes certificate here. It's ready to compound $65. This one generating about $6 a day. Right? I can compound. Look at this one set on high. So I don't do no capping. I set all mine on high or medium. You do what you feel comfortable doing. I'm not worried about losing nothing. All right. So this Hermes right here is set on high. So I set all of mine on high or medium. But that's me. You know what I'm saying? And since we've been on the stream as well, I have been paid 18 minutes ago. How long this stream been on? 18 minutes ago, 23 minutes ago, I got paid some Bitcoin. Y'all see that? 0.000288 of Bitcoin commissions. This is the system that we in. So I don't have to buy Bitcoin. So it's just a plus for me that Bitcoin is up, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. And if you want to learn more about what we're doing, we got a live corporate call tomorrow with our corporate trainer, Bruce Hughes, so you can learn more about the setting of the performances, the auto performance dynamics and all of that. Not that you would get I'm not sure, but I don't think it's not that you would get a higher percentage if you go medium or high, but it will be more leverage on it. So you could get not a higher percentage, but more based on whatever trades is being put in. So I'm running with that. Medium and high, all mine. So as you see here, we back to the dashboard, but I can show commissions and show where did the commission come from that just came in. 2 commissions since we've been here. All right, so here it is here. Somebody loaded a certificate. And they paid me. Somebody got their monthly membership. Somebody here got paid $27 in G Euro. They loaded a Hermes. That's on my front line. Somebody did a membership for 90 days. Paid me $3.96. That's probably like on the 4th or 5th level. Somebody else did a membership. Paid me $40.95. It's like on the 2nd level. So we can go in this 2 pennies, 9 cents, and this is worth of Bitcoin. So we'll take G Euro. $4, $14, $1, 44, 30. Yeah. So we'll take it, and we got sheets of this stuff for days. We can also do a figure. I can run this filter, and I can say how many times I got paid this month in the month of April. Who want to guess how many times you think I have been paid? Who want to guess? Let's see who listened. Somebody type in the comment section. Whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on YouTube, how many times have you been paid in the month of April? So in the first 11 days, how many times do you think I have been paid? This is the system that we're telling you. And this is not talking about the certificates, the passive income. This is the network. This is the network side. All right? Family, if we understood network marketing and the power of this, man, we would crush GS Partners. Man, we'll crush GS Partners. Man, we'll have GS Partners. Man, we'll have so many millionaires and 100,000 coming out of GS Partners. It'll be ridiculous, man. But we don't understand network marketing. The enemy has poisoned us to bit. See, literally, we were listening to a video yesterday on our team huddle that a person that don't understand network marketing, they really don't understand business, because all businesses have to market. It don't matter how you do it. So why not use leverage to do it? Why not pay the people that will go and by word of mouth market your product? Why not? The best thing going. That's why Amway been around for so long. IBM. These are network marketing companies. Mary Kay. That's why they've been around so long, because they have that model to sell their product. They pay other people to sell their product. Word of mouth marketing. Fastest way you're going to do it. All right. And it lets people generate income for their referrals. So how many times you been paid? Okay. My wife said 600 times. Ooh, that'd be a lot. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. I'm going to hit the filter. Wife off a little bit. I've been paid this month 440 times. 440 times. The revenue of our team is $317,000. It's just the first 11 days of the month. I have been paid 0.0246 of Bitcoin. I have been paid 99 G Euro. That's over $100. I have been paid $7,100 worth of Tether. I have been paid $270 of that's them dollars, right? Tron dollars. I have been paid 0.14. That's like 14. That's like a penny. That ain't a lot of a stable coin. I have been paid that of Binance BNB. I have been paid 0.0411 of Ethereum. I have been paid 731 Tron. These are the commissions, family. This is real. So, family, just wanted to get on here and show y'all this is why we do this. We're in the system, family. It's nothing personal. We're in the system. Crypto ain't my flavor of the day. I didn't see me doing anything like this. Oh, and if you going to Dubai, you can now purchase your tickets, $500. You can use Tether, ERC20 Tether, or Tron Tether. So you can use both Tether, $500 for a ticket. If you're going to Dubai, you do not want to miss this event happening May the 14th of 2023. Coca-Cola Dome, Dubai. That's an arena. Registration open at 9. The event begins at 11, whatever time they on, right? And you can purchase tickets and send them to other team members as well, but the team members have to be KYC approved. KYC approved. So, family, don't miss this bonus. And if you're looking for extra income, come on over here to GS Partners and become a referral marketer. Become a person with a business that is on your phone. I just showed y'all close to $9,000 worth of commissions in the first 11 days. That ain't had nothing to do with my certificates. That ain't got nothing to do with my certificates. So we're just showing y'all this. You take it for what you want. But family, get with the person that shared this with you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our Money Network. Follow us on Instagram for our money. Follow us on Facebook for our money. On Twitter for our money. We for our Money Network. New Millennium Bankers. That's what we running. That's the play we running. Family, come on in, tap in, come run the play. Where you gonna get 16.6% at? Where you gonna get that at? All right, that's legit. That's sustainable. We ain't talking about these old pump and dumps. We ain't talking about these old. The site might be up today and down tomorrow. We ain't talking about that. This is a business. Gold Standard Partners is a international blockchain business platform. That's what it is. Come get paid in all of the top cryptocurrencies. You don't have to ever buy them. You ain't got to hold them or do nothing. Come get paid, family. This is what we doing. This the play we running because we here. We got the best thing going by far. We out of here, family. See y'all on the next stream.
Like to be more successful.
Easy switch from crypto to fiat to non-regulated and regulated.